In UniPhi, there are a variety of ways you can report on the data that is embedded in the system. There are dashboards on every module like this portfolio list with red, amber, green status for each project. Documents can also be used to auto-generate status reports like this project controls group progress report. The report can be rendered to PDF where your corporate brand, style guide and layout are applied automatically. Tabular reports can be run from the Reports module. This cash flow report shows month-by-month forecast spend for pipeline and committed projects compared to budget. This is graphed at the bottom of the report. These reports can be exported to Excel. Next on the menu are embedded UniPhi dashboards for overall portfolio analysis. And finally, the pièce de résistance is our embedded Power BI reporting that enables limitless bespoke configuration of data visualization and analysis. UniPhi 16 expands on all of these capabilities. Over the next 3 days we will be highlighting the enhancements that come with the 16 release across each reporting component. Thank you for watching this short UniPhi 16 video.